playing hard, but kill the enemy. It is now your turn.
Alright, but I'll do my best.
Low motion power. Now we're at outside of the train. Let's look out for any enemies. Make sure to communicate. Now we're inside the train once again.
Wait, I know what's the plan. There it is. We should go out and walk to the roof of the train. Let's go.
This is way too much wind here outside, but it's walk carefully or we'll follow.
Attention please, Joey speaking. We are arriving at Kansas Station. Keep your seatbelts fastened. Thank you.
We're almost here. Get ready for flight.
Kill them. Don't let them get close to me. Alright, right. Damn, I have to call my gangs on the bridge quickly.
Alright, we're almost made it to Joey. Look at it.
There it is. Alright guys, get your guns and let's shoot Jack and Brad.
Wait, they're shooting at us far away. Wait, they have an RPG. We have one left, but I hope it shoots at its target.
Wait, what is that?
Wait, it's hidden. Now let's move.
So we have a situation down here. Two guys are named Jack and Brad. Those guys
Shut up, Mike.
a villain named Joey is the villain. The reason it's because he is stealing cars at every house numbers. Here is more information about a guy that who know Joey that who stole those cars.
Okay, so my name is Kevin, and I was sleeping last night, but in the morning, I got woke up early at 7 a.m. because I've heard those people screaming so loud because their cars are gone, and my car is gone too. I've already know who stole those cars. It was a villain named Joey Zavello, so I decide to call the GBPD for help, and that's what I have to say for this. Thank you.